Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have permission to edit channel names. If not, ask a server admin. Next, pick the emoji type, a standard Unicode character or a custom server emoji. Custom ones require name or the emoji picker. Once chosen, decide where the emoji fits in the name for readability and sorting. Make sure the emoji complements the channel purpose so members recognize it instantly and search results remain useful. Now open the channel settings and click into the name field. This is where you paste or type the emoji. For Unicode, use your OS emoji keyboard or paste the character. For custom server emoji, type emoji name or pick it from the emoji menu while editing. Once inserted, preview the name in the sidebar to check truncation and alignment. If it looks cramped, add a hyphen or space, because clear separation preserves readability and consistent naming conventions. Finish by saving changes and then view the channel list on desktop and mobile to ensure the emoji displays correctly. If it does not appear, double-check that custom emoji exists on the server and that Nitro or cross-server usage isn't required. Also confirm your role permissions. If problems persist, replace the custom emoji with a standard Unicode alternative so all users see it. Remember one troubleshooting tip: mobile apps can cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.